Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Suppose x, y are positive such that 1 over x plus 2 over y equals 1. We are asked to find the minimum value of x plus y squared. We use AMGM inequality to get the minimum value. Note that x plus a over x for some positive a will be greater than or equals to 2 of square root a. In order to get y squared, and in order to use 1 over x plus 2 over y equals 1, we need to have 2a over y. But now we try to rewrite y squared as y squared over 2 times 2. And for this, we write as 4 of a over 2y. There are 6 terms here. And using AMGM inequality, this is greater than or equals to 6. The product to the power of 1 over 6, where the product is y squared over 2 squared, a over 2y to the power of 4. Okay, we will see that y squared cancel off, and this is a4 and 2 power 6 to the power of 1 over 6. So this is 3a2 over 3. Now when we sum up these two inequalities, for the left hand side, x plus y squared, and a 1 over x plus 2 over y. For the left hand side, 2a square of a, that is 8 of half, plus 3 8 power 2 over 3. And since 1 over x plus 2 over y equals 1, so we have x plus y squared is greater than or equals to 2a 1 over 2 plus 3a 2 over 3 minus 8. There are two inequalities involved, and we see that the equality holds if and only if x equals a over x, y squared over 2 equals a over 2y. This means that x squared equals y power 3 equals 8. Now we try to get the value of a and to get the minimum value for x plus y squared. To do that, we let x squared equals to y power 3 equals to a equals to b to the power of 6. Means that x will equals to b power 3 and y will equals to b squared. From the condition 1 over x plus 2 over y equals 1, now we have 1 over b power 3 plus 2 over b squared equals 1. This means that 1 plus 2b equals b power 3. So b power 3 minus 2b minus 1 equals 0. Note that b equals to negative 1 is a solution. So factorize it. B plus 1, b squared minus b minus 1 equals 0. Since x is positive and x equals to b power 3, so b is positive. B cannot be equal to negative 1, so b squared minus b minus 1 equals to 0. And therefore b will equals to 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. Since b is positive, b has to be 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And note that this is the golden ratio. So we have b squared equals b plus 1, b power 3 equals b squared plus b, and this is 2b plus 1. b power 4, it is 2b squared plus b, is 3b plus 2. And also b5 is 3b squared plus 2b, that is 5b plus 3. Basically, all these coefficients are coming from the Fibonacci sequence. So back to what we have. X plus y squared is greater than or equals to this expression, and therefore this is 2b power 3 plus 3b power 4 minus b power 6. So we still need to do one more. B power 6 equals 5b squared plus 3b, and that is 8b plus 5. So this is 2 of 2b plus 1 plus 3 of 3b plus 2 minus 8b plus 5. So that is 4, 9, 13, 5b, 2 plus 3. And b is 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 and plus 3. That will be 5 square root of 5 plus 11 over 2. We also can calculate that this value should be equals x plus y squared, where x equals to b power 3 and y squared is b power 4. b power 3 is 2b plus 1 and b power 4 is 3b plus 2. So again, it is 5b plus 3. So it is similar to the answer just now. And therefore, we confirm that the minimum value is as such. That is 5 squared 5 plus 11 over 2. So that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.